Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. So everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great week, folks. And last week we had Nadex $10,000 cash giveaway. And you talk about focusing on something. I want to thank all the Tigers and Tigresses, first off, participating. And right now, I want to congratulate our winner, Romero Diaz from Roma, Texas. Romero, thank you so much, and we really appreciate you not only trading, but you had a big win here. And if you come over to TFNN, folks, you're going to see the top dog out here inside this contest was Romero, and he had $74,246 in profit. Pretty amazing. What's happening, man?
Hey, hello, Tom. I'm having a great week. How about yourself?
I am. Well, thank you. First off, thanks for growling and prowling with us out here. You know, I had actually heard you on Steve's show in the morning because you had actually won a $100 cash prize also. And
yes, I did. I did receive that $100 and also the book.
Yeah. And so on this acceleration, was this on a day trade, or was this a weekly that you accelerated up on this number?
Well, the first day I traded, and I ended up with a $1,000 profit.
Okay.
And so afterwards, I designed a plan, a trading strategy, where it did involve a long-term strategy. So I did trade a day, but mostly I focused on a weekly.
Okay, yeah. I can see, you know, what's interesting about that, that's, I can see that we had a nice volatile week, which is a beautiful thing, man, no doubt.
Yeah, that was perfect, and it did last the whole week, which was a great trading week.
Yeah, for sure. Well, listen, man, we will get you that $3,000 out tomorrow, plus the book, plus your another $100, and you know, congratulations, man. That's quite a win. 74 G's, man. It's not bad.
Thank you very much to you, Tom, and for TFNN for holding a trading contest that did pay mucho dinero.
Yeah, mucho dinero. It's a beautiful thing, man. So what are you going to do with it?
Well, I'm thinking of, you know, using some of that money to keep on trading, but this time with real money instead of the virtual money.
Yeah. Well,
and also, you know, use some of the money for that purpose, and the other ones, I'll think about what to do with it next.
Yeah, you know, to do, yeah, absolutely, man. Cut it in half and go, you know, take care of yourself and your family. Go do something. Totally, man. Those chunks are nice, man. Do you know what I mean? Right?
Yes, they are. They sure are.
Totally. Okay, well, listen, man, thank you so much, and you can expect that. We'll cut all those checks out tomorrow, all right? And so you can expect it the next few days.
Well, thank you very much, and I really do appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Have a great one, man. Have a safe one.
And you do the same. Thanks.
And, folks, you know, as you go over to TFNN, you're going to be able to look at that leaderboard, and it's impressive. There's a few folks on there that stayed up there every single day. You had Willard up there every day, Norwood up there. Second place winner was Willard with 52,000. Third place was Norwood with 46. Some big trades. The first 20 winners are actually going to basically, well, the first place winner is 3,000. Second place is 1,500. Third is 750. Fourth and fifth is 500. 250 up till 10th, and then the out of time in the trade. But the top 20 winners here that we have out there, every single one of them was at a profit, which, folks, that is impressive in a huge way, particularly because when you are playing with funny money, you know, you can see that you can take some shots, but it's impressive. And I do want to thank each and every person out there for participating. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow up, right now the Dow is up 30, Nasdaq's up 19, Dow's down 30, Nasdaq is down 19, S&Ps are up 4.5. Gold rejected lower price out here today, had lighter volume, come back. It's up $15.30 right now. Nice wide price spread out here, 12.0810. Silver up 50 cents, 17.33. Silver has a lot more to do, but bottom line is repairing that damage. Platinum up $16 at $1,243 an ounce. Copper's up 4 pennies at $3.03 a pound. Light sweet crude is up 63 cents at 90.38. The bond market, folks, the 10-year and the 30-year bond are going to the moon. The 10-year is up 9 ticks at 128.14. It refuses to back down. 30-year is up 8 ticks at 139.15. That was after wide price spread last week, accelerated volume, all of the above. And King Dollar has finally given it up. Bottom line, you can expect a retracement, and I suspect what you're going to have here, we're down 763 ticks at 86.06. You had an A to B equals C to D, which extended quite a bit. That's in the short term. Euro up 108 ticks at 126. The yen is down 79 at 108.97. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? You're going up with light volume. I expect we're going to get further up on the scale here. We're at 1967, and hey, we could even get to 1992. Bottom line is it's pushing. The volume's dying on the vine, and that's what you like to see if you're a bear. We have here is that today, thus far, the SPY got to 197.60. Your little swing point up there is the 198.30. We're doing that with 85 million shares versus banging out against 131. I expect you're going to get up further, though. Where this market is, you know, you're going to get this bounce going. It's going to be on lighter volume, which it is right now. And what that would be setting up is the B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. NASDAQ Composite, same deal. NASDAQ Composite's going sideways out here today. You reached 4496. That composite can bounce somewhere up to 4546. Gold contract. Now, this is where it's going to get interesting. Gold today, you talk about price spread. We got gold was down to 1183. Right now, you're at 1208. You rejected lower price. You are just getting back inside the range. It's not inside the range yet. Gold's going to need more juice. You're talking about when you get into the 14, 12, 14 area, it gets inside the range. The larger range, gold's going to have to get back inside the 1241 area. Bottom line is, though, you're getting in there. What has happened is that the GLD set up just perfectly, which is pretty amazing. What the GLD had done on last Friday, folks, is that it was going into its swing point. That was the first low generated in gold after a year and a half. That was last June. The low of the GLD was 114.68, 109 million shares. We got down to 114.42 with 38 million shares. And then today you jumped right out of there. So the bottom line, you had 38 million shares versus 109. That's a nice setup. Now what you'll be looking for the confirmation of this is an expansion of volume off of that low last week. And, you know, we'll see how this baby shakes out. This, you know, and bottom line, if we get the expansion of volume, then gold's out of there for another serious long-term bottom. Silver. We take a look at silver. What we have with silver, silver's going to need a lot more work. But bottom line, what silver did do is have an expansion out here today. Silver is actually from low to high. This is pretty amazing, actually. A 34, well, you're talking about 70 cents. Silver's up 50 cents right now. And volatile, yeah, it's volatile in spades. It's pretty amazing. So silver, in order to get back inside the range, has quite a lot of work to do. You're talking about 1850. You know, but bottom line is that it got a rejection of lower price, and it got it going topside. Now, NASDAQ Composite. Let's go look at the 3 Qs. NDX 100. Of course, what had happened last week, folks, is this. It was the first week that Apple had closed under the 100.72. So the NDX 100, sideways to higher today, dramatically lighter volume. We're at 97.97. I expect this can get up to about 98.61. We're doing 27 million shares today against 58 million. And Apple's going to be, well, we're going to go through Apple and we're going to go through the IBB. Apple just can't seem to get over this and stay over this week. That's a big one because that's saying, guess what? Apple wants to trade the lower price. The IBB is the number inside the biotechs. IBB right now is trading sideways. We're at 272. That's probably going to test the high one more time. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.